Hello everyone, welcome all of you out there. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best and easy way to draw human heart within just 3 minutes along with the leveling. So just watch it till the end without skipping the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel hitting the bell icon to get the latest update every other weekend. At first, draw two perpendicular lines like this. Then draw an oval. Now follow the steps it is being drawn. Now remove unnecessary lines. Let's label the parts of the heart. At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful or motivating even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. You can also leave your valuable comments about the topic of the next video you would like to watch, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.